it's Tiffany.
And Marcello.
And Rocco.
And today we're opening up the new Pokemon Mega Evolution Ascended Heroes. And this is the beautiful poster collection. This poster collection is like no other. You get this gigantic, beautiful poster of Mega Lucario and all of his beautiful Mega Glory, because it's the illustration rare of the actual card. You get a giant poster of it. And you get 10 booster packs. And then you get this beautiful, the Mega Attack Rare card. This is the actual poster, but it's the card. Look how pretty this is. Like, this is beautiful. So you get that card as well. What a great, great set. Will be available in stores February 20th. Thank you so much to the Pokemon Company. Thank you so much for gifting us all of these amazing packs in advance. We do appreciate it. Thank you so much. So let's get started. Don't forget to like this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Marcello's YouTube channel at PopMarcello828, Rocco's YouTube channel at Rocco Rips Reviews. Let's get started. So we have 10 packs here. I'm going to mix them up. And each child will get 5 each. Okay? Rocco, Marcello, let's get started. Good luck, Rocky.
Thank you.
So excited. These kids are so lucky. You don't know how lucky they are. Like, this is so crazy. This set just came out. You can't really find it in stores. Only the tech sticker collection is available at this moment in time. As of time of filming. So that's why this is so amazing. Thank you so much, Pokemon. Really, like, this is some wonderful, wonderful surprise. Oh, okay, keep going. We got Mad Cargo. We love Mad Cargo. So we get in our house in the backyard, we get Pokemon obviously coming in for Pokemon Go, and our favorite Pokemon is always back there. Who is it?
Slugma.
Slugma. He's always in the back hanging out in Pokemon Go. So we know it's getting warmer when Slugma is out.
Yeah.
The count of Pokemon at our house in Pokemon Go is getting like higher and higher every day.
Well,
Yeah.
we could spin a Pokestop from our house.
Yeah, inside of our house.
Well, I can't, but you guys, for some reason, you can with your location. I don't know why.
And I can like lure module it, and I can get Pokemon, a lot of Pokemon, and like I can complete researches and stuff.
Oh my God, sorry. Okay, is
fine.
that better for you?
Yeah, it's fine.
Or should I go down more?
No, it's good.
Okay.
Ooh, that's a new one, that otter.
Fan Rotom, ends PP
PP
up, Gabite, Clefable. Oh, Dustox. Did I say that right?
Yes.
I did? Oh my gosh.
Wow.
Glass dryer. Okay, 2 more to go.
Gonna say.
2 more to go, baby. This again is from the poster collection. You get 10 booster packs. That's pretty unheard of. The last poster collection, what was it, 5? Or is it the binder collection? I'm thinking of 5.
I'm thinking of binder collection.
There's no binder collection in this series?
No.
Oh, I would have loved a binder collection with this artwork. It's so
The
cool.
last poster collection was Black Bolt and White Flare. And
Yeah.
that came with 4 packs because it came with 2 Black Bolt and 2 White Flare. Normal poster.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
That was one of the EXs that I really wanted. It was just a Voltorb.
Didn't we get a Voltorb? Was that from
No.
Mega Dream? We got the Voltorb?
No.
No,
Okay.
I don't think.
All right, last pack.
But there's
magic.
an EX guaranteed in every Mega Dream pack.
That is true. That is true.
So we could have gotten it.
Yeah, it's possible.
Man, no God pack.
Sorry.
But I think I see something.
I think I see something too. Oh, I love that Golduck. That's
the promo
beautiful.
that they turned into a
Man.
normal card.
Oh, that's the
Just
one
like the
from.
side end.
Oh, sorry, buddy. That's the end of that. I'm sorry. And it's Marcello's turn. Rocco, we can't see you. Come closer. Oh.
Man, no God pack in this.
Oh man, that was a rough opening that you just did.
Oh,
That was rough. That was rough.
I'm gonna just go to the last one because I knew it was a hollow. Skinny.
Weeping Bell, Power Pro, Vanillite.
And Roly Cola.
All right. Listen, it's gonna be the next one. I know it. It's gonna be the next one.
Or the last one. Water Type Energy, Surfer, Snom, Scraggy, Larry Starly, Team Rocket's Proton, Heliolisk, Beautyfly, Chargerbug, Stunfisk, Spectre. It tries your specs.
That one threw me off. Okay, that I don't like recall that Pokemon, and I don't know.
There's the Spectrier and
It's like a ghost Pokemon, right? Is it psychic type?
Psychic.
So it's like a ghost Pokemon because it's obviously it's a specter, correct?
No, it's a spec dryer. It dries your specs.
All right.
Glass dryer. This is a good pack.
Beautiful.
Glass dryer. Glass dryer.
Oh my gosh.
It's
I can't believe there's like nothing in these. I can't. There has to be an EX for you, Marcello. Come on, let's go, buddy.
If Rocco pulled just an EX and I pull a Hollow Energy, I'm gonna pull something.
Yeah, you have to.
A non-God pack.
Wow.
Congratulations.
Wow.
Steel type?
Wait, this is like really miscut.
It is?
Is it?
Kind of, yeah.
Is there a dot?
All right. That doesn't look miscut
Kind
to
of
me.
a-
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
look
look
at
at the
all
thing.
Cascoon,
There you
Score
go.
Bunny, Canary, Dragonair, Electrike, Hitmontop, Frostmoth, and
And
oh,
oh,
no.
oh gosh, last pack magic. This has to be a please be Dragonite. Please, 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 please. Please be Dragonite. Please, 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 please. Like a full art Dragonite, like the cool one, the Mega Dragonite.
The
Okay?
normal EX.
No. Didn't someone get that? Did you guys get it?
No.
Oh, oh.
Oh.
Oh, Shazaloon.
I'm gonna give this Hollow Energy to Rocco because I know I have this one.
Yay! More hits.
No one can see you.
Small,
Okay.
Glaring, Medicine,
Shazzy.
Small.
Fighting Gong,
Clash
Glass
Dryer.
Dryer, Raichu.
Oh, oh,
That's
oh,
a hollow.
oh, it's a hollow.
What's up?
What is it?
It's
Nothing.
a spec dryer, I think.
You know what, guys? This is a lesson for you. We should be grateful, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not.
Are you grateful?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you so much to the
Thank
Pokemon
you.
Company.
Thank you.
Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm grateful. I'm so grateful. Thank you so much. I know my
Thank
boys
you.
are too.
Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you got some insight of if you're going to be collecting Ascended Heroes, why wouldn't you? This is an amazing special set. Check it out, all of our videos. Thank you so much to the
Thank
Pokemon
you.
Company.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!